Hello, adventurers, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek
Adventures. Danny, where are we today?
We are at the Military History Center in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma.
Let's go adventuring. Robert Powell, who is featured right here in this large photo, is one of the main reasons that this museum exists here with all of these artifacts. It started as a home collection, and after collecting more than 2,000 pieces, it moved to a museum, and over time, lots of additional pieces have been donated to the museum here.
And 99% of the items here are donated.
They have many helmets on display here at the museum, and this one in particular right here with the netting was actually from D-Day.
It washed up on shore.
It washed up on the shore, yes. This is a Betsy Ross flag. It has 13 stars and 13 stripes. Wow, these ships are really cool.
So many strings.
They even have little guys on them. This is an original newspaper from 1778. One interesting piece of information we learned a few moments ago is this is the 4th most haunted building in Oklahoma. It used to be a hospital before it eventually became this museum, and they sometimes do ghost tours.
This is a representative of Vicki Glass, and she was the model for the painting Heritage of Valor. She was a remarkable she's part of remarkable military history. She was the first female Native American to graduate from the United States Army Helicopter School and the first female Native American helicopter pilot in the nation.
Wow, this is really neat.
So we're going in order of the map, which we were given at the beginning. We have made it to the Navy room, where there are uniforms and books and flags and pictures and more pictures and plane models and patches. There's all sorts of stuff in here.
And why would there be airplanes in the Navy room?
What do you mean? Because they fly them off their ships.
Off the aircraft carriers, exactly.
This is a submarine clock. It literally says it right in the middle, but also up there. I want one of those.
Would you ever go on a submarine?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if I would want to go on a submarine as it's going on a trip somewhere, but I would definitely walk through one if it was available, and I'm pretty sure they are available. So as we go along here, we are going to go into the next room, which is this room has Civil War, Spanish-American War, World War I, and World War II.
Oh wow.
So this is where we're starting. Holy smokes.
Their mannequins are great. This is literally a bayonet from 1842.
It's crazy how much history is packed into this building.
That would have been the machine gun that was used in the trenches by the Germans.
It's like you can look at all your pictures really clearly. So this is a World War I Keystone stereoscope and 6 volumes of prints. So you put your prints or whatever you're looking at there.
One thing I love about this museum is how close you can get to all the artifacts. Some items were actually donated by local families here in Oklahoma. Every room here tells a totally different story. You could spend hours just reading the little details.
Thompson machine gun.
Yeah, that is one. There were about 400,000 that the Brits tried. This is a trainer for Morse code.
World War II patriotic covers, and these covers, I guess that's what they called them back then, envelopes, were part of a collection of over 100 by Miss Jimmy Lee Miller of Sulphur, Oklahoma.
This here is the conference room, but it also appears to be a library. So now we're going into the North exhibit room, and this is going to be the Korean War, the Vietnam War, the Cold War, and modern wars. The museum is run mostly by volunteers, which makes it feel even more personal. We had a docent which took us through the entire building and explained every exhibit to us and just gave us so much information. It was great to know what we were looking at and just have the mindset of knowing what was going on in the world at that time.
If you're into military history or just cool museums, this is definitely worth the trip.
If you have an old or worn American flag, be sure to drop it in the flag retirement box located outside the museum. Adventurers, this concludes our time here at the Military History Center in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our adventures, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can see a new video every single Friday, and head over to Facebook and Instagram and search McPeek Adventures, and you can follow us there as well.
We'll see you on our next adventure!